Whether we like it or not, the future is in technology.
Aksyon Balita.
But first, I think it was luckiest one here now. Now imagine the ICT just donated 50 laptops for the second district province of Negros to be used for free. Atong constituency sa second district. What else do you want? Not only that. So when I received it and I got the messages we're going to be, the district is going to be receiving the 50 laptops, said we have to come up with some more value added to the computer itself. So I said, abri naman tayong internet cafe for free sa mga estudyante dito sa Dumaguete. So right now, the center is already ready. Kulang lang the bandwidth coming from the ICT. No? I will be the one to provide it and they'll man it themselves. At the same time, on the second floor of the building, it's still under renovation. We're going to put up two rooms for training. Who wants to, all about technology, training. So if we will be successful here in Dumaguete, hopefully, we can cascade this to Bais and Tanay here in the district, no? In the coming future, bro. Atos na rin sugdan na we started here, so hopefully, if we will succeed, then he promised me that if you succeed, then okay. The ICT is gonna give me more.
Kasi mo parang
Luyo sa Union Bank. Nari ha. Pero pingalan wala pa tanan. Siguro in 2 weeks time mo sana kanibang ma-materialize na siya.
so karang 50 ka na tapos ito na kanan.
Ha?
Karang nang ito hotel karon.
Yeah, and it will be there. Pero it's gonna be free, di ba? For free. Pero gusto ka pa print, you bring your own paper. Pero ikaw na po lamang, di ba? Whether we like it or not, the future is in technology. It's in technology at the physical world. As I've been reading, right now we're using our cell phone. It's a matter of time. We will transcend to glasses. Everything about they call you, I don't know, I'm gonna do it. Look at your number, they can detect that I'm looking at the number, they call your number, I don't know. So that will be very interesting in the next 10 years.
So wala na siya computer lab.
Yes. Laboratory, you mean to say? Yes.
Sort of internet.
Yeah, sort of an internet game, but for free. People log in sila, give them 2 hours of internet time. Now, after they have to go out because it's for free, so it's gonna be used for everybody. Hindi pwede, sulod sila, first come, first serve, they'll stay there the whole day. It's also unfair to the rest, di ba?
Computer o laki pa.
They're also not far. Negros Oriental, I mean to say, the province, the capital, yeah, it's very good. It's a very good system in the province. But hinahinay lang, that's why we are upgrading them in terms of equipment. Karaan na kayo ng server. I think the province just bought very recently a very powerful server that can serve practically the whole capital.
Kasi bayad niya sa internet connection na.
Sa
Internet connection.
kanato ang call center?
Oo.
Yes, ila mo na. Sila, it is there. Sila mo provide for free.
For the maintenance. For the maintenance of that.
The ICT, everything is the ICT. Sila tanan, sila. There will be the one to man it. People here, not only in Dumaguete, the whole province of Quezon will be technology ready. Then people will come and invest in. Talk about mga BPO. What they want is capable employees. Capable people, capable individuals who can help and manage and deliver what is expected. Because remember, if you talk about BPOs, you're not only talking about Dumaguete or the Philippines, you're talking about the whole world. The whole World Wide Web. We have to be very, very competitive. That's why training is very important. So we have to go into trainings. That's why the purpose of this is maybe a training center by itself, internet cafe, training center. Di ba? Wala mo na importante yan.
Aksyon Balita. Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.